ready to crank your GTA 5 visuals from meh to mind-blowing. Today, we're diving into how to install NaturalVision Evolved, the mod that'll make Los Santos feel more real than ever. First up, head to the NaturalVision Evolved website. The link's in the description. Make sure you download the latest version. You'll also need OpenIV, ScriptHookV, and the Visual C redistributables. Links for all of these are also in the description. Make sure you have all of these downloaded before proceeding. Once downloaded, extract the NaturalVision Evolved archive to a location you will remember. Next, open OpenIV as administrator, and make sure it's set to Grand Theft Auto 5 for Windows. If you haven't already, create a mods folder in your GTA 5 directory. This will prevent the original files from being modified inside OpenIV. Enable edit mode. You'll find the button at the top. Now navigate to the mods folder. Open the NVE installation folder from the extracted NVE archive. Follow the instructions to install the appropriate OIV package files using OpenIV's package installer, ensuring you install them to the mods folder when prompted. And that's it. Boot up GTA 5 and prepare to be amazed. If you encounter any issues, double-check that you've installed all the dependencies correctly and followed the instructions in the NVE documentation. Now, go explore a stunning Los Santos.